zdaj smo s fanti upravili aktivacijo, vzdušje je super, čakamo kosilo, na to sestanek in potem s pozitivno energijo na tekmo.
Life, this game is giving us opportunities. Today, we have another one. But the one of today, we cannot change anymore. Today just win or out.
Now you understand why I'm saying poison. What it means is high pressing, high intensity all the time, keep pressing, open play defending, keep pressing the ball. You want to rest? Are you tired? You want to rest? Take a walk. We defend and we rest with the ball.
Kick it out.
With the ball, out. There is only one ball on the picture, and this out. This is the most that I like.
Prvo hvala za tekmo, brez hvala. Danas mi smo bili to цели, которые мы все рады видеть, которыми мы все рады играть, все рады делать. И то цели, за которые бо все навели за открытым сердцем целую Словению и целую Европу.
We wake up, we had a great morning because yesterday we qualified to the next round. Now we're ready to go to the airport and we're already thinking about our next game.